A foggy windshield can be a frustrating and dangerous issue while driving, especially in humid or cold weather. Knowing the fastest way to defog it ensures clear visibility and safer travels. If there is fog on the outside of your windshield, you can remove it with windshield wipers. Simply turn them onto their lowest setting and let them run until the fog is gone. If the fog is inside the windshield, turn the heat onto full blast. Then, turn on the AC and turn off the air recirculation. Crack open as many windows as possible. This is the easiest way to defog your windshield. Isopropyl alcohol evaporates quickly, ensuring no streaks or smudges are left behind and providing crystal clear visibility. First, use a towel to cover the dash for easy cleanup. Spray the cleaner on the windshield and use a microfiber towel to wipe straight down the glass. Flip the towel to a clean side and wipe again. Use your finger at the edges to push down and clean thoroughly. If the windshield is very dirty, you may need to spray and wipe more than once. Finally, spray and wipe the surface again. Now your windshield is clean. Shaving cream is a convenient alternative to specialized defogging products. Take a microfiber cloth, apply a dollop of shaving cream. Smear it all over the windshield. Then take a clean microfiber cloth and buff out the shaving cream. Just rub it around. It is going to form a protective but clear coating on your windshield. Now you will clean and defog your windshield. Switch on the air conditioning will also help to dehumidify the interior, which can reduce the amount of moisture on the windshield. Adjust the ventilation setting to direct the air flow toward the windshield. This will help in distributing warm and dry air to clear the fog. Anti-fog glass cleaners create a protective barrier that prevents moisture from condensing, keeping your windshield clear. Rain-X glass anti-fog is specially formulated to attract and disperse water, preventing moisture buildup and fogging before it begins. Apply Rain-X to a cloth and wipe it across the surfaces. Allow the product to dry. Finish with a dry towel to reveal the Rain-X invisible coating. By understanding these tips and products, you can defog your car windshield easily.